Hey there, juice lovers. Today, I'm going to share with you a power-packed juice combo that'll not only tantalize your taste buds but also give your health a serious boost. Ready to unlock the secrets of this super juice? Let's dive in. First up, we've got cucumber. This hydrating hero is packed with antioxidants and helps keep your skin glowing. Plus, it's super refreshing. Next, we're adding grapefruit. This citrus wonder is loaded with vitamin C, which boosts your immune system and gives you that zesty kick to power through your day. Now we throw in some fresh mint leaves. Mint doesn't just add a burst of flavor, it also aids digestion and keeps your breath minty fresh. Talk about a win-win. On to the greens with kale. This leafy powerhouse is a nutrient-dense superfood. It's full of vitamins A, K, and C, and it's great for detoxing your body. Kale, you rock. We're not stopping there. Let's pour in some aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is amazing for your digestive health, helps reduce inflammation, and keeps you hydrated. This stuff is pure magic in a bottle. Blend all these ingredients together, and you've got yourself a health-boosting, energy-giving, super delicious juice. So, why should you drink this juice? Easy. It's packed with hydration, vitamins, and antioxidants. It supports your immune system, aids digestion, and helps detoxify your body. Plus, it tastes absolutely amazing. Give this power juice combo a try, and let me know how you feel. Cheers to your health, juice lovers. Until next time, stay juicy.
For more healthy diets tips, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel.